paper shit this man somebody dead.
Yeah, people, you don't know it's a boy Rick and I'm back at it like a jug of dick. What me say? I'm back at it like a jug of dick. So stay tuned. Cause the video go fire. Remember me to tell you. Remember me to tell you. But anyways, people, all my supporters them, all who support me, much love, much respect. Big up the thugs them, big up the hardworking youth, them will never give up. Although people always I try to fight along each time I try. But trust me, don't give up. All who always assess it negative, all who always fight you. Cause me I tell us that me get it. People always say rare. But me always push myself to do it because I something when me find myself loving this. So all who support me and all who do out there for me, thank you guys. All who me not even know, me not even have the words to say, but thank you guys for your support and continue to support me. Well, yo, now I get too shaky upon this thing. But anyways, remember to hit the like button. Remember to leave a comment down below. And remember to subscribe. Go on and come back. Go and go subscribe. Just click the red button right there so I'll just subscribe. Even if you're there on your computer, just click it, man. Click it. Now go hurt. Anyways, to the prank of my mother. I go wipe the mother hand, the little nasty something there. I see how she react. Stay tuned. Remember to subscribe, remember to like, hit the bell so you can be notified each time I post a video because I'm not give up on this. Trust me. So stay tuned. We'll get into it. Alright?
That's my lead. No, me touch them bad. Bleach on my skin, make it in them back.
So alright guys, I'm gonna make it now. So I'm gonna use flour. Put this over here so you can see. I use flour. So yeah, that's a flour. Then me gonna put some water in a heat. Focus. So I get the water going in a heat then now. I get the fork. So that's how it's supposed to look. See? Make the one here. Make this one. Then get some browning. See there? Get some browning now. I'm gonna pour a little bit in a heat. That's it there. Browning. See it? I'm a big chef in a youth. Big chef. Anybody can hire me. See all the mixture, you know. Alright, so that good. That good. So it's a sitting here now. I'm not eating them, man. I'm not eating there, I'm not eating. I want to smell bad sitting. I don't know what, but I'm going to use it because it smells awfully fat. Remember me tell you. You not even open. Alright people, you ready? You ready, Sita? But I can real shit for you like some water, you know man. Like, oh God, if somebody pull this back for me a hand man, me say me plug out. Remember me tell you. Anybody put the all try this for me plug out, man. Remember me tell you that. But she out the door. She get ready to come in. Alright, she come. Let's set up the camera now. Let's set up the camera now and then the next camera I'm gonna see what I go on.
Yes. Yes, Ricky.
Come here.
You what?
It is you.
Where there?
You found this up.
Pan where?
In the room.
So where is your dinner room?
Actually, me that show see.
What do you know easy?
Where she come from Pamian?
Rascal.
See the fire.
A shit or no shit?
A shit.
A peanut butter?
No.
A shit?
She peanut butter in.
Ricky! And what is Ricky? I can't shit this Ricky. You Ricky?
I don't know what.
Yeah, idea Ricky. If I shit this man, somebody dead. I'm going to put my hands up. You Ricky? No man, come Ricky man. I want this Ricky. Take care of me hand Ricky.
We can't wipe.
Oh, you mean say can't wipe? What kind of than is this?
We can't wipe.
What kind of than is this Ricky? Ricky, you idiot. Ricky, you're a big boy, you're a big man. You say, yeah, man. How you should up your mother hand?
But that look nasty.
Jesus Christ, Ricky, man. Come, take care of my hand, Ricky. Wash it off, wash it off. No. Come, Ricky, come. Take it off. Wipe off, you know. Wipe it off now. Wipe it off. Me bound to kill you. Ricky, me kill you now, Ricky. Take it off of my hand. Ricky. Me bound to kill you. Me kill you now, Ricky. Take it off. Wipe it off my hand, Ricky. Wipe it off. Seriously, me not laugh with you. Take this off of me hand. I can't shit this Ricky. Come Ricky man, take this off of me hand. Wipe off it. Me not laugh with you Ricky. Come man, come. Take it off. Come man. Wipe it off now. Wipe it off. Come on, me not want to smell it. Wipe off it from me hand man. Come.
Smell it now.
Sure.
I know smelly.
Ricky, just wipe off some of it. Me not smelly man. Me not want to smell it. Come. Wipe off it. Come. Cause you don't want me kill you today, yeah. So wipe off it, Ricky. Just wipe off it.
I know hit me.
What you say? No.
Smell it sitting.
Me not smell it, no sir.
Alright, go and wash and bleach, dental everything. Chop you have to. What chop you have to hit? Cause I tell you say I hit. Yes, say I no do. Look on your hand. Smell it, for you. Smell it. You see it? What it smell like?
Boy, I put the things here, no boy. So boy make me have a heart attack and drop down. So boy make me heart attack and kick over.
Yeah.
Are you go sorry now? Are you go sorry?
Fish shit.
Are you go shit this?
Post that hit upon the way.
Man, go on where you go here, man.
So yeah, people, don't want to see how she react. Me not like me enjoy the sound. Me enjoy the water. Me not gonna lie. Me enjoy the water. Me not gonna lie. But anyways, if you like it too, remember to leave a like, people. Leave a like. Remember to leave a comment down below. Let me see what I have to say. Next prank we can do for her because that girl, I get for her nerves. If she kill me, I don't know how me dead. Remember to subscribe. Remember to like. Remember to share to your friend, your auntie, uncle, brother, sister, great grandmother, even your ex, and just share the thing. And once again, thanks for your support. I mean that, like, meanie. for real. And all who support me, thank you again. And I hope you enjoy. So stay tuned. Oh, one more thing. The lucky person, one of my family them who support me and thing, because we classify you guys as my family, because we have to do that now as story time, because it's a long story, trust me. But anyways, anybody out there who watch my video them, this is a prize, it's a credit right here. The top one, this one is a lime credit, and this one is a digital. Oh, the thing gonna get away. Oh, is it the credits now? 2 digits is missing. So who lucky enough to guess the 2 last digits, get the credit. Thank you guys for supporting, and I hope you enjoy the credit. Hope you do something useful with it. And remember to share. I'm out. Alright?